Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. Slay Queen Jacqueline exposes Uwandi Ndlovu. I don't know ukuthi ngidothe yami exposer or she's just dragging Uwandi. I don't know. Bale ukuthi lapha ku Instagram. No shade, but it's hard to fall pregnant when your body is your source of income. Wafaka isicathulo wathi Cinderella. Hayi wayigcoka kuCinderella Wandi wabona ukuthi ayipho phela la kushaywa mina wabona ukuthi ekhulunywa ngayo, but I don't really see the need for Jacqueline ukuthi akhulume so ngaWandi. Like we all know ukuthi Wandi uphila njani. It's not like uyafihla njengalabanye lesibatiwe ukuthi bendani, but bayafihla ukuthi benda lokho benda ngazuthi bo DJ sibe sade ukuthi hayi bo wena you selling your cookie bra. So Wandi Ndlovu, guys, she has always been open ngokuthi uphila njani, akafihli nokuthi futhi nodithanzela abo majolof niggas. We know that. Waphendula ke uWandi makaphendula uJacqueline wabhala wathi Cinderella wore the shoes, getting my enough coins so that I don't have to depend on that man, and I don't tolerate nonsense just because he gave me a child and found me with nothing. Uthi yena ngiyasigcuka ke lesicathulo ke ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi usho mina. Uthi but mina ngiyadisebentela so that ngitokhona ukuthola imali yami. Uthi so that ngingadependele endoda ngiloku ngitolerate nonsense just because unginde umuntu unike umntwana futhi ngithole nginganalutho. Yamshaya ke Jacqueline. Uthi Jacqueline utolerate nonsense from her baby daddy because umthola ngana uthi yena disebentela and unema coins akhe. So I don't know why Jacqueline was saying this about Wandi, because we know ukuthi Wandi, guys, uphila njani siyamati vele sonke. It's nothing new, like there's nothing new here. Ukuthi Wandi vele utiphilela ngeligugu lakhe akakufihle nje futhi lokho. So for her ukuthi amdrage ngalendlela, I really don't know ukuthi isuka ngani. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.